Hey folks, today is March the 20th. It's currently about 6:50 in the afternoon. We're going to look at doing our Titan EA Week 5 update review. Let's get back over to that page real quick. All right. I know we made a small profit this week, but we can check out and see exactly what happened. All right, so this hasn't updated fully yet, but as you can see, $464.32. Last week we closed at $456.82. So a very, very small profitable week, even though this is showing minus 1.6% for some reason or other. Still hoping that we can get back to over $500, at least get back to profit before the total 8 weeks is up. We got 3 more weeks to go here. And actually, let me pause it. Let me pull up the actual MT4 account in the VPS. All right, so as you guys can see, we don't have any trades open going into the weekend. Win rate right now is 68.6%. Let's go ahead and jump over here. I'm not sure if it took any trades today or not. Today's the 20th. So let's see. Okay, so yeah, it is trading on Friday still. So it's a good thing I'm not doing my videos earlier in the day. All right, so yeah, it's taking quite a few trades today, as you guys can see. All right, I'm not gonna go through and count those. It's quite a few trades. All right, give me 1 second. All right, I want to go into the Facebook group here. They gave us a update. All right, so we've been holding out on something kind of exciting, and they did say the same thing here. So if you're in the Telegram group, you can read it there or come to the Facebook group. All right, we're not sure if we're going to release it to the Blue Edge financial clients or sell this to a hedge fund partner of ours that's been wanting it. With the recent coronavirus market crash, we've been extra focused on sustainability with our systems. If there's enough desire, we'll consider making it available to all of you. We haven't finalized the name for it, but we're either going to call it Titan Pro or Titan G7. Imagine a product that has been profitable every year since 2004 and withstood all market crashes, uses a 1-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio, naturally hedges itself by trading 7 different currencies. Sounds good. We're considering making this available to active Blue Edge financial clients. If this is something you'd be interested in, that you could trade alongside Titan as a more stable part of your trading portfolio, please let us know in the comments below. Just write yes. All right. Let's see what else is going on here. I definitely will be writing yes there. So hopefully we'll be able to look at that as well. Let's see what other people have done this week. Considering all the madness, I'm happy with a small profit for this week with Titan, all default settings with 0.5% risk, and 3,268 starting balance at the beginning of the week. No touching whatsoever. All right, and as always, past results don't equal future results. Hey everyone, I just wanted to share my results using a 1K demo account. Started 2 weeks ago. Week 1 did bad, but I decided to let it run this week, and it has completely recovered. All right, super excited to begin my live account in a couple weeks. Running aggressive settings, 1%. Okay, so he's excited about that. What does this say? So you recover from 774 to 1200 plus. Yes, it recovered, but it started tanking this morning. It's risky. Titan has been sluggish this month. What's the balance now? 1,008. All right. All right, that's the 18th. Let's get back down. I'm sure we got some more from today. A lot of people usually post on Fridays here. All right, here's one from the 18th. Titan is back with 11 wins today. I believe that was Wednesday. All right, here's something from yesterday. As you guys can see, all winning trades there. Asking him to add that disclaimer. That is important. You guys should be seeing one at the top right-hand corner of this video as well. All right, so I think that's as many as I'm going to find. Not as many people, it seems, have posted today, which is unfortunate. Either a lot of people, it looks like, either had a positive, slightly positive week or break even. Mine was just slightly positive. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at one other thing I wanted to touch on. And let me see if they have it here. Give me 1 second. Let me log in. All right, so if you log into your Blue Edge Financial back office, you can scroll down and you'll see the bank secret indicator. They did set it up this week. I think it was Wednesday or Thursday, where you could download it, where it's not just available on your VPS. So now we can actually trade with it on other. Hold on 1 second. All right, so yeah, we can trade with it on other brokers. You do have to register it, but as you guys can see here, BSI is right here at the top right corner. Actually, I think I might have to put that disclaimer on the left-hand side so you guys can actually see this here, but it does say BSI with a little smiley face right there, and the actual indicator is these levels. And basically, when it comes into these levels, that's the signal to sell. And let's see if we can find a blue one. And if it comes into these blue levels, that's the signal to buy. I have gone through quite a few different charts and just made notes. You guys can see right here. Started right here. Market came up into it. And it sold off almost 100 pips. So it does look like it's going to be an interesting indicator or expert advisor. So I'll probably look at trying to get some trades with it. And what I'll probably end up doing is just doing trading divergence. Obviously, I'm using a TDI, some Bollinger Bands, nothing crazy. Indicator list, Bollinger Bands, TDI, and a moving average. So simple stuff here. So like I said, next week I might try trading divergence with this particular indicator as kind of an add-on to see if it helps. Basically, if we get some divergence up in one of these areas that tells us to sell, I'll go ahead and take the trade. Only when we get it in these areas. All right, let's keep on moving here. Where's GBP, Japanese yen? All right. Again, market came up to that level. All right, so the market approached that level right here. It didn't quite get to it, but I see what it's supposed to do. And there are people, a lot of people in the group that have already started using it and have reported some fairly good results. Here's another one you can see here. Market came into this red level and sold off about 40 pips right there. Same thing here. Market came down to the blue level, which is our buy zone, and bounced off of it and went back up. So hopefully next week I'll have some time where I can start taking some trades with it and just see what happens. Right now I'm just trying to show you guys how the market reacts to the bank's secret indicator. Just to give you an idea. All right, so right here is where it was initiated. Market went across, bounced around in there. As you can see, it came out pretty strong. And some of these are 5-minute charts and some of them are 15-minute charts. Obviously, with the 15-minute charts, we'll probably get bigger moves here. Won't have to stare at our charts as often. As you can see, market came up again into the bank secret indicator sell zone and dropped down about 88 pips. All right, so that's kind of what the game plan is. I think I've gone over all of the charts where I had it set up. This was interesting. We got this zone here. Market went up, went sideways, came back down into it. And then somebody could have bought right here and bagged over 100 pips. So definitely looks interesting. What I'm going to look at testing this with is Euro USD, GBP USD, Euro Japanese Yen, Euro AUD, USD Japanese Yen, and the GBP Japanese Yen. So that's what I'm set up for here. And again, I'm going to most likely look at just trading divergence as it happens in the market. And we'll just go from there. Obviously, something like this, divergence is right here. This high, or this new high right here, is significantly higher than this previous high. But if we come down here, it's the opposite. We come down, this high is now lower than that first high. So that's angling down, that's angling up, and that tells me I can go ahead and take that sell trade. Now, I've done that a bit in the past without using any other indicators, and it does work pretty well. So just using the bank secret indicator as kind of a secondary confirmation will be interesting. Or if you guys want, I can just use the bank secret indicator plainly, and whenever the market pushes into it, I can just take buy trades. So let me know in the comment section what you guys would rather see next week. You know, for example, right here, I didn't have divergence, but the market came up and touched right up in there, and it just dropped from that level. So let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll try to make that happen next week. All right, folks, hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will update you again on the 27th of March. Take care, folks.